Good morning, guys. It is currently 10:10 and we are on our way to the fuel station to fill up because we are on our way to Springbrook National Park. We've never been there. I don't know anyone that's been there, so I don't know what it's like, but we're gonna go check it out.
So let the demons go and hype me up, cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
We're having a bloody good time. Yes, bloody good. Bloody good. Bloody good. That's right. What's it called? Bloody good. Bloody good. Yes.
So we just arrived at, what's this, Springbrook National Park. We're heading down to some sort of boardwalk lookout and then probably going to continue on to Twin Falls or Purlingbrook Falls, one of the two. Twin Falls apparently is more popular, so maybe check that out. It's just down the road.
Cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, oh,
That's some serious tan line.
oh, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems.
Oh, here's a little bench. Just down the bench. So we just finished at the lookout. You can pretty much just see all of Surfers Paradise. Took some cool photos. We're gonna go to Twin Falls?
I think
Or
so.
Purlingbrook? Okay.
I feel like
Twin
we can
Falls.
go to Twin Falls first.
Okay, that's just down the road, like a minute away.
Yeah. That's why.
Go look at that. Probably get some more cool photos there. See you there. I don't know. Mad transition. Yeah, so we have no service and have no idea where we're going to try and get to Twin Falls.
Try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options. Damn, I got them options.
So we just failed at finding Twin Falls, got lost and didn't have any signal on our phones to look at the maps. So now we've made our way to Purlingbrook Falls, which is 600 meters or 200 meters and then another 600 or something to the, I don't know.
Where the fuck?
There's numbers.
Like the lookout.
This is the bathroom.
What is happening?
Sick. We have now found where we need to go.
Yes. Going for a second. Oh, wait.
And all the people say would you use your water?
Hello. You love me. We're walking. And we're walking. And that's about all we've done.
And we're shaking.
Hey.
And we're wobbling.
I just shouldn't waste your pretty face like me. And
all the people say.
So I've just kind of gone a bit off-piste, and there's a cool little bridge and water tank down there. So, do you want to go explore? I want to see where it goes. There's like a weird pathway kind of here. It's kind of like meant to be walking on, even though we've ditched the original one. Actually, I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh. Some dude's got some hot chips in here. Some mother's water. Scared of a little leaf.
No, I think I went to the spider web, but I don't know. Maybe
Oh, well, I
touched
didn't.
my hair.
There's a lot of spider webs on this though. Oh, look at that. Oh. How do people even get in here? Oh, the door's like bolted shut. There's a cool bridge. Back past this sketchy building that people had a bit of a gather in. The wagon was locked up. There was a wagon to see, but it was locked up in the shed, so the main attraction was the wagon.
Flying out without the Mary Jane light. Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Do the people whisper about you on the train like me? Saying that you shouldn't waste your pretty face like me. My heart is gold and my hands are cold.
So we just made it back to the car. It's 600 degrees minimum, I reckon.
Oh, it's coming down.
Yeah, turn the aircon up. It's ridiculously hot. We didn't bring any water or anything because
Or
we don't.
insect repellent.
Yeah, or insect repellent because we don't think
so
things
stupid.
through. We made it. Forex Cafe.
That's alright.
Got the food. Got the drink. To the car.